Hi guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can sign out of your Apple ID from other devices. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to be in the app library, and after that, just go to the search bar over here and type in Find My. Once you open it, you will see your devices over here. So if you want to sign out of them, you can just tap on them. You can either choose to erase the device or remove the device. Either way, you would be signed out of your Apple ID. You can then choose your Mac or your iPhone, anything you want, and after you choose those options, you'll be signed out of your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.